Friends, today we will be study about electric field due to an electric dipole. In this topic, we calculate the electric field intensity at a point due to an electric dipole. We find the electric field intensity due to an electric dipole in three conditions. First, in axial position, second, in equatorial position, and third, at any point. First, what is the meaning of axial and equatorial line? A line which passing parallel from the earth is called axial line, and a line passing through perpendicular from the earth is called equatorial line. First, in axial position, consider an electric dipole consists by the two equal and opposite charge minus q and plus q, separate at a certain distance to a of center is O. We calculate the electric field intensity at point P in axial position due to an electric dipole, where R plus A distance of point P from the charge minus Q. R minus A is equal to distance of point P from charge plus Q. K is dielectric constant of medium in which held the electric dipole. Vector E1 and vector E2 is the electric field set up by charge plus Q and minus Q on the point P. We know the direction of electric field set up by a positive charge away to the infinity, and the electric field set up by negative charge towards to the charge. The electric field, first we calculate the electric field at the point P due to the charge minus Q. The electric field due to the charge minus Q on the point P. Mod vector E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K Q by R plus A whole square. Similarly, the electric field due to the charge plus Q on the point P. Mod vector E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K Q upon R minus A whole square. The net electric field at the point P mod vector E is equal to mod vector E2 minus mod vector E1. We know E1 and E2 have equal magnitude and opposite direction. Then the net electric field at the point P is equal to the difference of E1 and E2. Or E is equal to 1 upon Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K bracket 1 upon R minus A whole square minus 1 upon R plus A whole square. Or E is equal to 1 upon Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K into R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square upon R square minus A square whole square. Or E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into K bracket R square plus A square plus 2AR minus R square minus A square plus 2AR upon R square minus A square whole square. R square plus A square, R square minus A square negated. Then E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into K 4AR upon R square minus A square whole square. If A is less than R, then A square is very less than R square, so A square is neglected. Then E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4AR upon R power 4, or E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K into Q into 4A upon RQ, or E is equal to 2 into 2QA 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into K 2 into 2QA upon RQ. We know 2 into QA is equal to P, where P is the moment of electric dipole. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon G naught into K into P upon 2P upon RQ. If K is equal to 1 for air, then E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon RQ in vector form. Vector E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into vector P upon mod vector RQ. It is electric field set up by a dipole at a point P in axial position.